Pal, talk to me now. What time Daddy Roscoe supposed to really reach here?
Look, I really don't know, you know. Alright, you see, he was going on with the bank and he was coming back. Alright?
You see what's going on with me too, reach out by the embassy now.
The embassy for what?
Me and I'm going to get my work permit from a big city tour, you know what I mean? Get my work permit in order so I can fly.
Which part you going first?
It's in Miami first.
Miami?
Yeah, then Atlanta, Orlando. He does name it Florida.
So all them places you going?
Big time, pal, big time.
Gonzai, watch me. You know.
Don't worry yourself. When things start to work out real best, I'm going to line you up. I'm going to get a bodyguard work.
You give me a bodyguard work with who?
You don't want to be my bodyguard?
How much money you paying, Breds?
Pal, money is not a problem now, boy. Right now is check. Everything is in check, credit card. And so I know show you it too. Credit card.
You go really open up with Gonzai?
It depends.
Maybe it depends.
It depends if I, you know.
Depends on what?
If I'm things.
Oh, you cutting it so with me, you know I just have your back. You know I just really watch out for you and
I
things.
sharpshooter now, pal. I sharpshooter. Big time. Hey, that boy, the people really shut up. I ordered some leather for the theater. From that for the theater, please. You know they bring small thing for me. You know I am a big man in business. Yeah, so I don't come and bring over big when you white, I want white leather now.
White leather?
Yeah, because tiles and the carpet I have on the ground is white.
Tiles and carpet?
Yeah, tiles to the bathroom, white.
When you invite me across to the mansion, boy. I mean, you know, right here, right? Right?
Later will be our best time, you know.
Yeah, so long.
The day then come through this morning.
Go on here.
In the condo I have everything I need, pal.
What's that?
Say no more. Gotta be up to the time. Listen to me. She called me and tell me she's not feeling well. So I call her head office and tell them she's sticking on me for the sudden a new lady over. But she coming tomorrow morning for 7. As soon as she come and she tidy up my spot, I link you. Yeah, I link.
Watch me. You want the number, man? Well, you had the number on my cell phone, man.
I changed that long time, pal. I changed that.
Well, take back my old number now.
I'll give my number.
Alright?
I'm going to tell you that I'm a manager. Call you and give her directions how to find.
Your manager too?
Yeah, manager too.
Wait. So going up on stage and shaking up and bring you all that money?
Not only that, so do it, pal, and singing everything and what.
You singing?
What do you mean?
Cyclobs, you singing?
Say, feel what I'm telling me, she like kitchen. What I was doing there was joking thing, or
Wait, now people paying you to sing?
and you see right now, you realize. I ready to bounce from start up.
You wasn't joking about that, PMW?
Tell you what is going on.
No, let me just hold the keys now, Cyclobs. Oh God, let me just watch it now. Oh God, how you dropping it so your pal? Oh God, you know this.
Pal.
You want that?
I really don't much of the thing anymore.
Cyclobs, watch me.
I think I might just go by Fridays and get myself some steak or something. For Tony Romans, you know.
Wait. Cyclobs. If you ever, I'm like, order in, you understand? While you're here with Mr. Roscoe, you can just order, let him bring it down, you know, and me and you, we sit down here and
I'm a little French already. Call and make reservations there for me.
you can't tell her to just order it.
Yeah, but she's waiting on me. And you know, she's driving an A6 Audi here.
Huh?
You see this thing here?
She have a friend.
I don't want you to get tied up in my business. Until I go look to link you up, take time with me.
Alright, yeah, I have no problem with that. You okay, Cyclobs? You know we just got it.
Yeah, man. So, I'll relax and I'll be in 5 more minutes. I'm like that when Rolex, boy.
Rolex?
I'm wearing my Rolex. Rolex was a clean boy.
Well, you're not Cyclobs, you're not. You're as you said, your manager. You understand? Can you a little something?
Yeah, what?
What do you mean? When you want an extra singer, I could do real good backup and things. As a matter of fact, I could do lead, you understand?
Stop writing, but I see how it happens to them big what part you could be better than me?
Listen, do you ever hear me sing, boss? Do you ever hear me sing?
When you can sing?
Watch me. Call a tune. Call a tune.
You know one of the latest soca from this year? Yes, you know one of the latest soca was not from this year?
Wait, just now. Wait there. Jump up. Just wait.
But don't forget this.
No, no, call our next tune.
I'm not calling no tune for you if you're smart. I tell you to name and sing a song for me from this soca. Sing for Carnival.
But look, 2005, still we come. Watch me, antics so bad, you know. Still we coming, dead or alive. Watch me.
Right now you better off dead, man.
But watch me, I related to show interest now, you know.
Related out.
You hear the boy song in the same?
Nothing new is the same. Showing us babe, showing us stage, showing us dress.
But I just babe. What's wrong with you? I just said shave today because, I can get time because I alone have
Why you run out of blades again? You never had a blade, it's the same man.
One time, I used to cut it nice. You know, I used to look after you. You see, when you come by Mr. Roscoe to stay, I used to watch out for you and thing, you know. I don't understand how you cutting it so with me now, boy. You see, a little grateful, boy. After all the work I do, boy.